senior du Nigeria.
And we have here with us the
Couloir 6,
100,
Jele Lydia
the
du
400
Botswana.
meters
Couloir 5,
semi-final
Sibiri
one.
Sita du
And there
Burkina
is
Faso. Couloir 4,
a
Shida
Ghanaian in
Leni
action.
de l'Ouganda. Couloir 3, Joseph Estra.
As I said earlier on, the 400 meters semi-final one is on, and Grace Aduntira of Ghana is in action, competing for a berth in the finals. Wish them good luck and wish that the Ghanaian will have a place.
And there you go, 400 meters semi-final one. Who is taking this one and who qualifies to the final? I wish to remind you that the first two in the semi-final qualifies automatically to the final, and the best two athletes will join them for the final event.
So the first two will have a place in the final automatically.
When the race ends, we shall introduce
And
to
the
you
next two,
the
if their
competitors in the
times
short
are
put
good,
event.
may also get a chance in the final. And the chase is on. The chase is on. The Ghanaian is pushing. She's pushing. Unfortunately for us, the two Ghanaians are in the first four.
Moses Ogu du Nigeria. Numéro 2,
E. Joseph of Nigeria, Sibiri,
de l'Éthiopie.
Burkina Faso, Jele.
Numéro 3, Cornelius Kuhn de la Namibie. Numéro 4, Henry Bernard Baptiste de l'île.
We're trading an out for us. So the 400 meters women's semi-final 2.
There they go. 400 meters women hit 2. Sorry, semi-final 2.
Oui, c'est parti. 400 mètres d'arbre. Demi-finale 2. Malheureusement, au début de la course, Bassin Théophile du Botswana a été disqualifié. Néanmoins, la course continue toujours. Le Kenya est en tête.
The next set of competitors are coming. On the other hand,
Rose Amaniwa Yabua
Amwaniwa Yabua
can
is
she
doing well
win Ghana gold today?
in the high jump. We are hoping for a gold medal. And in no time, the chase will be on for a place in the finals.
Women's 400
Women's
meters,
400
semi-final 3.
semi-final 3.
The first to win the semi-final qualifies automatically to the final event.
Athletes
It
are
will be joined by
chasing
two
one another.
fastest time.
And I can tell you that this is no joke. You can see all athletes
Meanwhile, Jazire
battling
from
each
Kenya
other,
has also
fighting
led the
for a
high round
position
meters
in the
high jump
final,
event.
running neck to neck. This is no joke. This is no joke. The Nigerian is pushing it for gold. Goal! Oh, and the end is beautiful.
400 mètres, dames, demi-finale bien juste.
Medal presentation for 5,000 meters in no time.
Cérémonie de remise des médailles pour l'épreuve de 5000 mètres dames. Les médailles sont remises par Madame Orontou Toulou, accompagnée de Charles Hussein, vice-président de l'athlétisme du Ghana.
We present to you the third position in the 5,000 meters event. And that position was taken
So the winner for the third place going
by
away with the
Magnat
bronze
Wiru
medal
from Ethiopia.
is from Ethiopia, Margaret. Now she
Madam
can see
Oratu Tulu,
the three winners are all Ethiopians. Yes, they have now competed, trying to.
She's accompanied by Charles
Give it a
Osei
whole
Smith,
chase.
who has been the vice president of Ghana
All as
Athletics.
the 30th of Ghana
Now, the
sent.
second position
Ethiopians are
in the
also making a
women's
name for
5,000
themselves.
meters
The
goes to
5,000
Mutilka
meters.
Mola, also
Want to
from
see them to the
Ethiopia.
10,000 meters. Another Ethiopian taking the silver medal. That is beautiful. The gold medal as well also go to an Ethiopian. The rest just came.
Kurwanda Mutilka Mola. And now,
Let's continue.
ladies and gentlemen, it's my sacred honor to present to you the winner of the women's 5,000 meters event, Asa Marina from Ethiopia.
Asa Marina from Ethiopia. You can see the crowd cheering them up.
Thank you very much. Shall we all rise for the national anthem of Congratulations to you once again, Commander Medina Eiza from Ethiopia. Competitors.
So Ogbenewa, also in the high jump, is going for her third attempt.
And there are only 2 of them.
Jump the 1.70 meters and the France. Ogbenewa, let's go. And the last attempt failed.
Peace Ewa from Nigeria is attempting to clear the height of
in action.
Is going to compete here
Is the
at the University of Ghana
100
Sports Stadium.
hurdles hit
Very
1.
good. Great.
And in action is a world champion from Nigeria, Toby Amusan.
This is a big race. Big race.
And the
Et
chase
c'est
is
parti
on for a
pour la
place
toute première
in the
épreuve sur
semi-final.
piste.
And there we go, Toby Amusan.
Qui prendra l'avantage?
So there goes the introduction of the athletes for 100-meter hurdles hit 2. We have the Ghanaian in action,
From Nigeria.
Doris Mensah, and we also have the world champion,
From Togo.
currently the world record holder for the world 100-meter hurdles, Toby Amusan of Nigeria, competing for a berth in the semi-finals of this competition.
Et c'est parti
The chase is
pour la
on.
deuxième et dernière série de cet après-midi.
Toby Amusan leading it, world champion. Oh boy, welcome. So Amusan Toby with a 13.03 in the heat,
World record holder.
the world record holder.
The Guinness record holder as well. She's done it again. In a time of 13.03 seconds.
Has won the women 100 meters borders. He won
With C. Gwambe from Uganda
13.03 seconds.
with a 14.03. That is beautiful.